Hello, David here, and the project for today is responding to a recall notice on a 2018 Toyota RAV4. This recall covers the years of 2013 to 2018. Just got a letter from Toyota. There's a fire hazard related to the battery hold-down clamp. They say some replacement batteries of the size specified for the car may have smaller top dimensions, and that may not be clamped down properly. So sounds like an insignificant thing to me. This is clamped down pretty properly. Yeah, notice if you look in the cell that it's a little low on water, so I'm going to add some distilled water. Did you know that you could look in your battery and check the water level on your cells? Let's have a quick look around so I could compare before and after. So here's the updated equipment from the recall. Doesn't look much different than before. This red thing looks different. Is that all they changed? Clamp doesn't look much different.